Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by protecting your data, so backup downloads and Chrome profile to Drive or a USB. Once done, sign out other users but stay signed in as the current owner. Then open Settings right arrow Advanced right arrow Reset Settings, or, faster, at the sign-in screen press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus R to call the Power Wash prompt. Choose Restart, and when the dialog appears, confirm Power Wash. This clears local accounts and resets device state. Make sure the device is plugged in, and once the device reboots, the system performs the wipe automatically. Let it finish without interruption, because stopping may corrupt the install. After the reset completes, follow the first run setup. Select Language, Network, and Accept Terms. When you reach the Google sign in with the account you want to become the device owner. You do this because Chromebook assigns ownership to the first consumer account that signs in after a factory reset. Make sure sync and security options are set the way you prefer. Finish by reinstalling extensions and apps and restore files from Drive or your USB backup. Once your new account is owner, you can adjust settings and enable sync. If the Chromebook is managed by a school or company, you cannot remove the managed owner. Contact your administrator, because management locks persist through Power Wash. If something goes wrong, like repeated owner prompts or setup failures, repeat the Power Wash procedure, or create recovery media on another computer and reinstall Chrome OS to recover a clean state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.